If you need welding and cutting solutions for your wind turbine, for your pressure vessel, oil tanker, or pipeline, just come to Boda. Boda serves 2 Fortune Global 500 companies with products including welding column, welding rotator, positioner, and CNC cutting system. Meanwhile, the Shanghai Essen Welding Fair is upcoming. Be sure to visit our booth.
Self-aligning turning rolls. Capacities 5 to 800 ton. Self-aligning turning rolls adjust the wheel centerline setting automatically when the vessel is lowered into place. There are no couplings to change and no pins to remove or replace. BZT-Rolls provide constant centerline capabilities which make setup and alignment quick and easy. The self-aligning rollers, which maintain a constant centerline, can rotate workpieces with diameters as small as 12 inches and as large as 16 without adjustment or change of drive shafts. BZT rolls are available in 15-ton to 180-ton capacity. Rolls are powered with AC variable frequency drives and the motors providing a large range of rotation speeds. Handheld operator pendants are standard, and optional foot switch controls are available. The automatically infinitely adjustable centerline settings